G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans and welcome to another week of Nova News. Well, we're flat out at the factory, as you can tell, from all the noises and screwing and grinding going on while we're trying to do Nova News. But anyway, don't worry about that. We're flat out delivering new vans right around Australia. This is my favourite, single axle TerraSport 16'6". Obviously this year's model has got everything. It's got airbags, disc brakes, the Dometic dust reduction system. This is heading down to our Victorian dealer, or one of our Victorian dealers. Now, we also have a little bit of a surprise for two of our very, very special customers, Jan and Kim, who have actually ordered their second Nova. It's a 21'6" rear club lounge, but we've built it as a Terra Sports. Now, even though the borders were shut, we have a little surprise for them late last week. Check this out.
G'day Jono, Gareth here at Caravan King. Check out this glorious weather that we've put on for Jan and Kim here, that we can get their new Nova Terra Sports. In all this pandemic situation, at least we can get these vans across to these wonderful customers. Thank you.
Hi Jono!
Hi John!
So, surprise, surprise, and congratulations, Jan and Kim. Now, that's also a reminder too, if you are in Western Australia and you do want to get yourself a Nova, make sure you contact the crew at Adelaide RV. They're your closest dealer to WA. Have a chat to Steve and the crew there. They'll gladly look after you. As you can tell, we're still flat out here at the factory from all the background noise. But once again, big thank you to everyone who helped support us during the last lockdown. Don't forget, we're back. We're here. We'll see you next week. And don't forget, wash your hands and travel safely.
Enjoy!